What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Enlighten site, guys. Here on this site, guys, you earn by completing short surveys and you earn real money, guys. One point equals to R1 and so forth, guys. Minimum withdrawal is 50 points, guys. Okay, let me show you, guys. Okay, go to menu and then let's go to surveys. Okay, as you can see, guys, available surveys. You see reward is R20 and then R20, R10, R10. For you to complete the profile survey, obviously 0, guys, and then here also is 0. Okay, once guys we have completed your survey, guys, you will earn the amount that is written there, or the amount that is promised that you will get when you have done completing the survey. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to, okay, let me show you the survey that I've already completed. Okay, so you can see participation history, guys. You see all these are the surveys that I've completed, guys. Okay, now let's go to withdrawal, guys. Come here to my rewards. Okay, as you can see, guys, there are plenty selection of gifts cards, guys, that you can select to withdraw your money to, guys. As you can see, there is SLC, TAKEALOT, Woolworths, MTN, SHOPRITE and Shakers, NetBank. Through NetBank, guys, you'll be able to do e-wallet, yeah, but once you have R1000. Okay, then there's Telkom Mobile, sorry about that, KFC, Vodacom, and then here's the list, guys. As you can see here, guys, my points here, I have 160 and 10 points, which is equals to each and every point is R1, guys. That means I have 160 rand. And then you see there's TAKEALOT, voucher 50 rand, SLC, and so forth, guys. But as for me, guys, I won't withdraw in today's video, guys. I want to reach at least 500 TAKEALOT voucher or 1000 NetBank, guys. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace.